Oh, minus 7 minutes.
Status check to proceed with terminal count, Atlas Systems, propulsion.
Go.
Hydraulics.
Go.
Pneumatics.
Go.
LO2.
Go.
Water.
Go.
Centaur Systems, propulsion.
Go.
Pneumatics.
Go.
LO2.
Go.
LH2.
Go.
HASGAS.
Go.
Electrical Systems, airborne.
Go.
Ground.
Go.
Facility.
Go.
RFFTS.
Go.
Flight control.
Go.
GC cubed.
Go.
COM.
Go.
Timer.
Go.
Umbilicals.
Go.
ECS.
Go.
Redline monitor.
Go.
Quality.
Go.
Op safety manager.
Go.
ULA safety officer.
Go.
Vehicle system engineer.
Go.
Anomaly chief.
ACs go.
Range coordinator.
Clear to proceed.
Launch director.
MD, the launch vehicle is ready to launch.
Mission director.
You have permission to launch.
Proceeding with the count. Timer. Set count to start at 0724 Zulu for a planned T0 of 0728 Zulu.
Roger. Count will start at 0724 Zulu for a planned T0 of 07280 Zulu.
Polling is complete and the launch team has given the go for launch. From T-minus 4 minutes until launch, you will be listening to Dylan Rice and his team performing the final steps in the countdown procedure. You'll hear the team confirm securing of Atlas liquid oxygen topping, followed by the call to transfer the Atlas and Centaur stages from ground facility power to internal battery power. At T-minus 1 minute and 55 seconds, the team will command the launch sequencer to start, followed shortly by securing the Centaur liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen topping activity. At T-minus 1 minute and 40 seconds, the team will command the flight control system to launch enable and arm the flight termination system. In the final minute, the Atlas tanks will be verified at flight pressures, followed with verification of the Centaur tank pressures. A final status check of Atlas, Centaur, and NROL-52 readiness is conducted at T-minus 25 seconds. Seconds before liftoff, the RD-180 engine ignites and performs a health check, followed by ignition of the 2 solid rocket boosters to lift the vehicle off the pad. After liftoff, you'll hear the voice of Marty Malinowski providing flight commentary.
On my mark, the time will be T-minus 4 minutes and counting. 3, 2, 1, mark.
359. 355.
Ground pyros enabled.
The countdown clock has resumed, and we are go for launch at 3:28 a.m. Eastern.
340. 330. 315. 3 minutes.
Securing LO2 topic.
Atlas tanks to flight pressure.
250.
FTS internal.
2 minutes, 159, 158,
Vehicle internal.
157, 155,
Launch sequencer start.
150,
Securing Centaur LH2.
Securing Centaur LO2.
140,
Launch enabled.
137,
FTS armed.
T-minus 90 seconds. The launch vehicle, payload, ground systems, and eastern range are go for launch.
120,
OCU's armed.
118,
SCS count started.
115, 110, 109,
Vent valve locked.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
54, 40,
Stable at step 3.
30, 29, 28, 27, 25,
Status check.
Go Atlas.
Go Centaur. Go NROL-52.
20, 16, T-minus 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, have ignition, and liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket carrying the NROL-52 mission for the National Reconnaissance Office.
Booster has gone to closed loop PU control. Pitch program's complete. SRB chamber pressures are fully elevated as expected. And booster has throttled down right on schedule. Launch response is good. Mach 1. And boosters throttled back up. Max Q. Ready 180 chamber pressures. Good. SRB chamber pressures have plateaued. Booster engines all continue to look very good. Body rates controlling down the middle. And up on SRB burnout momentarily. And we have indication of SRB burnout. Signatures look good. We have throttled back up to 100% thrust. Engine response is good. RD-180 continues to look very good at this point, as the booster is now 50% its liftoff weight. Current altitude is 25 miles, downrange distance 27 miles, current velocity 3,543 miles per hour. And we have indication of 2 good SRB jettisons. And we have begun flying the Q Alpha Limited steering portion of flight. Booster has throttled down right on schedule. RCS pyro valve has been fired. That system is now pressurizing to flight level. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 42 miles, downrange distance 85 miles, current velocity 6,155 miles per hour. Range track is good. Body rates are as well. Booster is now 1/4 its liftoff weight. Coming up on our 5G throttle segment. Boost phase cooldown has begun. Signatures look good. We have fired the pogo bleed. Now throttling to 4.6 Gs in preparation for MECO. Boost phase cooldown is complete. And we have MECO. Engine shutdown looks good. And we have indication of stage separation. We have LOX and fuel pre-start on the NROL-10. GN2 purge firing is underway for the RCS. We have ignition and full thrust on the NROL-10. And we have indication of payload firing jettison.